Hey everybody, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. So I'm up on the job site and this is about where I'm at right now. Just in the nick of time. See the rain. It's pretty cloudy out here with a little bit of rain. Nothing major, nothing bad. Inside's getting along real good. Got the roof on. And so I rushed up here this morning to get the last of the underlayment on this side. And right when I finished that top piece, it started raining on me. Can't hardly see right now because my glasses are soaked in water. But it just kind of let up. It's not hard rain. Nothing you can't work in. But hopefully that Grace Ultra will stick down and not let any water in. Seems to be doing okay already. And here's the view out the window again. One of the windows. And my ladder's in the way of that view. It's a beautiful spot. Wind's been blowing like crazy. You see all the dirt in here. That's blowing in from the outside. But I pulled all the tools in and got the roof on, at least the underlayment. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm trying to mock up the front porch. Did that a few days ago. But it looks like we're going to do 4x4s, 3 posts, and then be a 4x6 on top. Make it a little bit stronger. Now I just got to figure out how to get the angles off the roof to the main beam going across. Well, guess I'll watch some more YouTube videos on it. Alright, that's the update on the 16x10 tack shed. Adios and God bless. It's starting to rain again.